Most people fail because they wait to feel motivated. But there's a simple trick that beats motivation every time. It's called the 2-minute rule. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Reply to the message, clean the desk, start the workout, open the book, and if the task is big, just do the first 2 minutes of it. Because starting is the hardest part. Once you begin, your brain stops resisting. 2 minutes turns into 10. 10 turns into progress. And progress changes your life. Success doesn't come from giant actions. It comes from small actions done consistently. Start now, just 2 minutes.